Pry open the cover plate. Remove the air outlet panel. Unplug the clock plug. Unscrew the screen fixing screws. Remove the silver circle on the panel. Pry open the gear panel. Unscrew the fixing screws below the screen. Unplug the original car screen plug. Installing the screen mounting bucket. Tighten the bucket fixing screws. Screw in the Wi-Fi antenna. Screw in the GPS position antenna. Screw in the 4G antenna. Connect the rear view camera cable. Plug in two USB harnesses. Plug in audio wire harness. Plug in the microphone. Connect the one end of the radio cable to the screen and the other end to the original car. Plug in the screen protocol cable. Transfer to the original vehicle protocol plug. Transfer to the original vehicle power cord. Transfer left and right audio plugs. Plug in the air conditioning bottle plug. Plug in the air conditioning power cord. Plug in the screen power cord. Install the small arrow buckle on the bracket. Install the screen and the air conditioning panel. Screw out the air outlet adjustment lever. Unscrew the fixing screws of the air outlet. Remove two small circles. Install the small circles back onto the dedicated panel. Apply some glue to fix the small circle. Install the air outlet. Tighten the fixing screws of the air outlet. Tighten the air outlet adjustment lever. Plug in the clock plug. Install the air outlet and upper cover plate. Effect after installation.